we are homo narrans. We are the storytelling ape. That's what we do. We create stories in order to cope with reality, because reality itself is so mysterious and complex. We never have all the information, and so to navigate our lives, we create narrative. So this morning we're going to be looking at the narratives that we use to explain ourselves to ourselves as well as to the rest of the world. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, I've been a memoir writer for the last 30 years, and then I discovered something about 10 years ago that I had learned, which is that when I explored my experience, I realized most of my stories were completely false. And that is a huge revelation when you realize you've been living according to fictions that aren't even true. And I suspect that some of you may have that experience this morning doing these exercises. Also, there is a large body of scientific evidence now that expressive writing has profound psychological and physical benefits. There was a study done in New Zealand recently where they gave people a puncture wound on their skin. They had two groups write. One wrote about personal feelings, personal ideas and thoughts about things, the other just about objective subjects. And they found that the personal expressive writing group healed at a 47% rate as opposed to a 22% rate. And that's because we reduce the stress in our bodies when we release this suppressed information. It is stressful to repress our feelings and our thoughts. Okay, so as we use this expressive writing to relieve ourselves of these false ideas, we have actual physical benefits.